If you've been searching for a powerful yet beginner-friendly animation tool that's also completely free, look no further than RenderForest AI Animation Creator. In this video, we'll dive into how RenderForest's new AI tool is transforming the animation game in 2025. Whether you want to create explainer videos, stunning intros, or engaging storytelling animations, RenderForest AI makes it seamless, fast, and fun. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a free account. Start by visiting renderforest.com and signing up for a free account. Registration is quick, and you'll instantly gain access to their AI animation features. Step 2. Choose your animation template. RenderForest AI offers a massive library of pre-designed animation templates. Whether you're making a business presentation, an educational video, or a fun animated short, there's a template for you. Browse the options and select the one that fits your project. Step 3. Input your script. Once you've chosen a template, type in your script or upload a pre-written document. RenderForest AI analyzes your text and creates animation sequences that align with your content. Step 4. Generate your animation. Once everything looks good, hit the generate button. In a few minutes, you'll have a high-quality animation ready to preview. If needed, you can make adjustments before finalizing your video. Step 5. Download and share. After the final tweaks, download your animation in HD or share it directly on social media platforms. RenderForest even provides an option to host your video online for easy sharing. Conclusion. RenderForest AI Animation Creator is the perfect tool for anyone looking to create stunning animations in 2025. Its intuitive interface and powerful AI features make it accessible to beginners and pros alike. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tool tutorials. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.